What is up, guys? Stone Gamer here, and today we are breaking open these three phones, or maybe not all of them, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Here's the three phones. This is a Huawei. It's got a cracked screen. This was one of my old phones. It does work, but at the moment it's currently flat. This one, Samsung, not even sure what make it is or anything. It's freaking small as hell. My hand is bigger than it. And I don't know if it works because the charger is a freaking old ass charger, so no idea if that shit works. And this one's a 2 degrees on. 2 degrees, it is functional. I'm pretty sure it's fully functional. I'm just gonna check. If it turns on. It was on just a second ago. You know what, let's just get the turning on. Right. We got this to just freaking shit. I am hitting this with a freaking hammer and nail. We're doing a screen test now to see how strong the screen is. Wow. No crack. No crack. No new cracks. Let's hit it in around with. There we go. If there's already existing cracks, then. Oh. Right, so now we're just going to go without the hammer, without the nail. That cracks it. Not a single. Not a single. Yeah. Not a single crack. Not a single crack. Rooted. Right, now we're just going to do that to take that case off them. Right, that one has no battery in it. Just figured that out. So I'm gonna make it a fair test. Oh shit. The battery is bent already on this one. That's why that looks like that. Right. Now, time to break into him. Who the hell needs what's inside? Right, that was an internal strength test. Let's also check the... Oh! Cracked screen. Still not a cracked screen. Let's just hit it with the screwdriver. Now, I'm starting to begin to think that isn't a glass screen. That it's just a fucking cheap plastic one. Cheap ass plastic one. Now with the Huawei, I'm gonna put the battery in and let's just see if it turns on. Did 2 degrees. Oh, that one was originally flat. Right. Camera time. 3 hits on the camera. Oh, yeah, it's got a little split down the middle. Camera time. Nothing again. Do any of these actually have a front view cam? This one does. Nothing. Now let's just test the front cam. No front camera, but we'll still hit it up there. Right, now I'm just gonna freaking start off acting all innocent until I realise the screwdriver is too freaking big. Oh shit, I meant the screwdriver. Oh, hang on. God, this is so strong, this one. This is like Nokia 2.0. It's starting to separate there. Right, I got down to... Finally! Broke! Oh. So that's like the buttons there. Right, so now what we're going to do is just get this. Hey, look what's on my phone screen! How to replace a phone screen. Yeah, now this is freaking plastic. That's bullshit. Here's a screwdriver so you can actually... Look at the back! It's all freaking bent and all that. It actually has some glass in it. Sweet. boom. I don't know what any of this shit is. This looks like it might actually have something in it, so let's just... Nope, just more shit. Oh. Holy shit. Well, I think I found a new filter for my camera. Holy crap. Now here's how you can see what I'm seeing. It's amazing. That is awesome. Okay. When I broke this open, I was like, oh wow, more junk. Nah, shit. Whoa. Right, so those two are keepers. Don't know what the point in this is. Oh wait, hang on. Huh. See-through. What about this? Is that see-through? Oh, it is. Oh, there's a little number written there. Shit. Keeper. Shit. Right. This is almost done, and then we're moving on to the next one. The next one might be in part 2 though. Oh fuck, how the hell did I miss that much? Add a little nail here. Oh, this is a bit concerning. It's starting to get quite warm in there. It's a wee little bit concerning. Why didn't Samsung name this one Nokia 2.0? Fucking hell, Samsung. Okay, no. That's the wrong one. Hey guys, would you like a new phone? It's perfectly fine. Hey now, yeah. Fully functional and all. It's got battery. Yeah, it's fully functional. Very legit. Whoa. Did quite a bit down there just then. Oh. Found the motherboard. There is a motherboard. Now that is quite darn hard metal down there. Look at that, that's what I got off. I still find this quite awesome. It's not really that one though, it's mainly this one. It's like, oh wow, shit. I hope there's something like that in the next part, which is for the other ones. Oh shit! Yeah, it's coming out. Crap, this is actually hard. More metal, more of that, more writing on it. It's like something EL. Oh no, it's got a line above it. It's a tone mark EL. Don't know what that is. Oh shit. No, I split the motherboard. There's a nano chip there. Wow. I have a big mess to clean up before part 2. What's that? Just more of that. Oh! It's for the speaker. Pretty sure. Yeah, that'll probably be for the speaker. We have a camera. Let's swing down to the light. Or not. We have a camera here. That is a camera. And the light as well. Yeah, a camera and a light. So let's just fucking smash the living shit out of this. There's the light, or what's left of the light. Alright, let's get back to this. Right now, we managed to get this out. Finally. I don't think I can ever look at a phone the same way. Shit, look at all the circuits on the motherboard. Look at them all. We got just one more bit to break into and we're done. Part 1. Oh shit, something shot out. This is the speaker here, because this just shot out of it. And that's all for that's all for this part. Tune in for part 2, and I will be breaking open this phone right here. That's all that I've done to it so far. So see ya.